Imagine waking up to a phone that already knows what you want to do. Before you even unlock it, it's suggested the route to your gym, queued your playlist, preloaded that YouTube video you were halfway through, and even dimmed the brightness just the way your tired eyes like it. Sounds futuristic. Nope, that's the kind of experience Google is quietly building into the Pixel 10, and they're getting really close to making it real. Welcome back, viewers. James here. If you're into future-proof tech, juicy leaks, and smart upgrades that actually matter, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Alright, let's talk Pixel 10. Because this isn't just another refresh, it's Google stepping out of its comfort zone and finally going all in with hardware. The biggest headline: Tensor G5. It's the first Pixel chip made entirely in-house, no Samsung foundry this time. This bad boy is being fabbed by TSMC using the same thermotech Apple uses. And that means serious speed, better thermal control, and way fewer bugs. For the first time, Google's AI ambitions might actually match the power under the hood, and it gets better the regular Pixel 10. Yes, the non-Pro model is getting a proper telephoto camera. That's right. Google is finally ditching the idea that only Pro buyers deserve zoom, and it's using the same sensor as the Pixel Fold's 11MP tel. Zooming in on your dog across the park or snapping a skyline from your window, no problem. But Google didn't stop there. They're combining that new zoom lens with ultra-wide to create a wild new telemacro mode. It's like getting two lenses to do one crazy trick. Super detailed close-ups with that beautiful depth blur. Imagine crystal clear flower petals or the tiny scales on a butterfly's wings, all with insane clarity and cinematic vibes. Now, if you're someone who shoots video on the go, you're gonna love this. Google's improved video stabilization on the Pixel 10 series is apparently so good, it makes gimbals feel optional. Whether you're vlogging on a trail, filming your bike ride, or capturing chaotic family moments, the footage should look smooth like it was shot on rails. And your eyes, they're getting some love too. The display now uses higher PWM dimming, which sounds nerdy, but it means far less flicker. Translation: better comfort in low light, especially for those sensitive to eye strain. This could be a game changer for anyone who scrolls at night, which is all of us, let's be honest. Charging also gets a glow up. The Pixel 10 is expected to support Qi2 wireless charging, faster, smarter, and cooler, literally with less heat. You might need a magnetic case to get the full benefit, since Pixel phones don't have built-in magnets like the iPhone, but hey, at least you'll finally be able to use those slick new Qi2 accessories. And now, the wildcard Magic Q. Google's new AI assistant isn't just about asking questions. It learns how you use your phone and starts suggesting things before you even ask. It works hand-in-hand with Gemini AI and runs most tasks on device for better privacy. Think of it as predictive memory for your life, kind of creepy, kind of amazing. But wait, we're not done yet. Google low-key leaked the entire Pixel 10 lineup through their own Play Store ads. Talk about playing 4D chess with leakers. We've got the Pixel 10 Pro, the massive 10 Pro XL, and even a Fold edition, all launching in just a few weeks. And the colors? Get this limoncello, a punchy yellow-green, indigo, moonstone, porcelain, and a bold new jade green. This is Google trying to be fun, and I'm kind of here for it. Now, pricing leaked too, and surprisingly it's holding steady, around $799 for the base model, and first in $999 for the Pro XL. No price hikes in Europe or the US. That alone makes this launch way more attractive than expected. Specs-wise, the base Pixel 6.3 OLED 120Hz screen with Gorilla Glass Victus, your 50MP main shooter, and that new triple lens setup. Inside, the G5 chip is paired with 12GB RAM, UFS 4.0 storage. An AN version bumps things up with a higher resolution LTPO display, thinner bezels, 42MP selfie cam, and a beefy 1TB storage option. But the Pro XL's got full beast mode, 6.88 OLED, 5200 mAh battery, periscope macro zoom, and even faster charging, 39W wired, still 50W wireless. This thing is built for power users and content creators who want it all. And while the design might look familiar, don't be fooled. The real revolution is happening inside, with smarter software, serious AI, and finally hardware that can back it up. Google might not be chasing Apple's design anymore. They're building a different future. One where your phone predicts your next move, shoots like a DSLR, charges faster than ever, and still fits in your hand. So whether you're eyeing the regular Pixel 10 or planning to go all out on the XL, August 28th is shaping up to be more than just a launch. It's Google finally finding its groove. Stay tuned because this launch is going to be wild, and I'll be covering every last leak, surprise, and hidden feature as we get closer. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next.